Alright guys, I showed you my Epsilon about 2 weeks ago, and I've been really busy. I just showed you my Apollo. She's been doing really good. She was a little bit shorter than the Epsilon, but it was about 4 days behind from when I germinated it. So it was expected. But the worst of all things that could have happened, happened. I was trying to do some low stress training, and just like I told everybody else, you want to kind of squeeze the place where you're bending it and be really slow and bend it over. Well, I guess I didn't go slow enough or didn't bend it enough, 'cause she broke. And now I'm going to walk you through how I fixed her. Alright guys, key thing to remember here is don't panic. Get you a regular band-aid out, a coat hanger to help hold it sturdy, and some rubber gloves, and a spray bottle. First thing I want you to do is go through and spray everything down and moisten it. Then you're going to straighten it up and put it back together as neatly as possible. And you're going to put a band-aid around it. Now this band-aid is going to be pretty tight because you want it to mend that cut back together. And the coat hangers are helping hold it sturdy, so that way it doesn't bend over. What I did is I placed another coat hanger in here, right up beside the stalk. As you can see guys, I'm kind of rough on her, but I think she'll be okay. What do you guys think? You think she'll make it? It's always a scary time when you break a plant. But guys, the best thing to do is to stay calm and remember everything can be fixed as long as it's not broken too bad. Okay, so I zip tied it at the top. I didn't make that zip tie real tight. I don't want it to form into the plant. And I've already got the piece of copper shoved down into the dirt. But I'm going to go ahead and add another zip tie down here at the bottom just to make sure it stays sturdy. Now, after I do this, this plant came out of the grow room and went into another room where I put it on a light that was about 300, so that way it wasn't getting the full light, which is about half of what it's normally getting right now. I don't want to have it in the room with the rest of the plants because that light will be too hot on it and that'll throw it in a shock. I don't even want it to know it's broke. I got the tape there, I got the coat hanger there, the piece of wire, everything's holding it up nice and sturdy. So I'm trying to trick it into not even knowing it broke. But this extra stress that I put onto it will cause it to produce more THC and more terps and whatever kind of blood, it has inside of it. Like if we get hurt, we produce different antibiotics to help heal ourselves. A plant does the exact same thing. You see my stress training. And here's the little room that I've got her in. So guys, don't worry. I promise, if you break your plant, it is fixable. Just make sure you're gentle with it. And in a week, it'll start to look just like this. There she is. Can you believe it? Yes, it's the same plant. And now look at her. Here's the Apollo and its little nuggets. It's starting. It's doing pretty good. Let me get rid of some of that. As tall as the Epsilon, a little bit shorter, but she's keeping up with her. In the morning, guys, this is OhioGrowBoyz, another episode for you. I hope you was able to learn something. Please stay tuned, and guys, please subscribe. Hit that like button. Every one of them matter. See y'all next time.
Sunrise whispers through the haze in the air. OhioGrowBoyz planting dreams of flare. Leaves are dancing, they know the way. Another green anthem in the garden today. Rolling lighted, let it play. Smoke rises with each word we say. In the garden where high spirits sway. Living life our unapologetic way. Soil on our hands, but clean in our vibe. Every bud tells a story full of pride. Keep the rhythm mellow as the rivers flow. Underneath the sun our green city glows. Rolling lighted, let it play. Smoke rises with each word we say. In the garden where high spirits sway. Living life our unapologetic way. Rolling lighted, let it play. Sweep the sky, we're tied to the earth. Growing something more than just its worth. Laughing, smoking, time drifts away. We plant the future in our patch today. Rolling lighted, let it play. Smoke rises with each word we say. In the garden where high spirits sway. Living life our unapologetic way. Soil on our hands, but clean in our vibe. Every bud tells a story full of pride. Keep the rhythm mellow as the rivers flow. Living life our unapologetic way.